These are important questions. Okay. And in your question, there might be the question like, yes, water a precious resource is excluded. If it is not discussed, then obviously it will be excluded. And as ma'am has told you that it is a part of chemistry and ma'am has not discussed it yet, so it is not possible to complete it, and it is on inform us also that 20 to 30% of the syllabus will be excluded due to this situation. Okay. So, question 1, the type of soil suitable for growing masoor dal is, the type of soil suitable for growing masoor dal is sandy, loamy, clay, bricks. Loamy, yes. The removal of land surface by water, wind or ice is known as erosion, weathering, percolation, retention. Erosion, yes. In which horizon of soil minerals are found? In which horizon of soil minerals are found? A, B, C, none of the above. In which horizon of soil minerals are found? In B. This is the appropriate one. The proportion of sand, silt and clay in a soil sample determine its structure, texture, nutrient potential, fertility level. The proportion of sand, silt and clay in a soil sample determine its structure, texture, nutrient potential, fertility level. Yes, it is texture. Soil conservation measures are mainly aimed at protecting which of the following? Plants, topsoil, subsoil, soil organism. Soil conservation measures are mainly aimed at protecting which of the following? Plants, topsoil, subsoil, soil organism. Topsoil, yes. A vertical section through different layers of soil is, a vertical section through different soil layers of soil is horizon. Next one, that is profile. Both 1 and 2, none of these. Only soil profile or horizons also there? Question was a vertical section through different layers of soil is horizons, soil profile both A and B, none of these. Now look at the picture. These are horizons. Okay. Now, if one section from here, then it becomes the profile. So, the profile having all these horizons, so at the, this is more appropriate than any individual one. So, option 3, both 1 and 2 is correct here. These are horizons A, B, C, and when we taking vertically, this becomes profile. So, the horizons also, these are also vertically from top to down. That is, at first it is A horizon, then B, then C. So, it is also in vertical section. What kind of soil should be used for making matkas and surahis? Clay, loamy, sandy, none of the above. Clay. Okay. Sewage is mainly a liquid waste, solid waste, gaseous waste, mixture of solid and gas. Sewage is mainly A liquid waste, solid waste, gaseous waste, mixture of solid and gas. Everyone is saying that it is liquid waste. Now the options are liquid, solid, gaseous, mixture of solid and gas. You are saying that it is liquid waste. Is it liquid or solid? Sewage only having the liquid or solid also? The option is solid, liquid, number 3 gaseous, number 4 is solid plus gaseous. Which one is more appropriate? Solid waste. All are saying it is liquid. Okay, so for this, look at the page number. Look at the page number in your book, 222. Sewage is liquid. Okay, some solid waste are also there. Okay, yes, I have checked it. Okay. Okay, so as it is mentioned the liquid waste, so you will tick here, but if the option is solid and liquid, then you will add both of these. That if the options is both solid and liquid or only liquid, then the option will be solid. Okay. Next one. The color of red soil is due to the presence of minerals, iron oxide, vitamins, none of these. The color of red soil is due to the presence of minerals, iron oxide, red soil, and none of these. This is Iron oxide. Okay. Yes, iron oxide. Next one. The light material which float during wastewater treatment is the light material which float during wastewater treatment is sludge, scum, sewerage, and biogas. No, it is not sludge. Sludge is the deposition. This is sludge, but it is lighter. The substance which is floats on the wastewater treatment plant. This is scum. Yes, this is scum. Scum is that floating material which is lighter one, which is moving in the top. Okay, next one. Activated sludge is about dash percentage of water. 10, 25, 79, 97. 97. Which microbe is used to decompose sludge into biogas? Which microbe is used to decompose sludge into biogas? Aerobic, anaerobic, algae, fungi. Anaerobic, yes. And which bacteria is used to decompose the organic material? This is also one part. Look at the page, that is in page number 224. The biogas produced in the process, after that air is pumped into the clarified water to help aerobic bacteria to grow. Bacteria consume human waste, food waste, soap and other unwanted matter still remaining in clarified water. So, in clarified water aerobic bacteria grow, and in wastewater anaerobic bacteria grow. Okay. Next one. Which one method is used to prevent rust, crystallization, sedimentation, galvanization? None of these. Okay. Galvanization. A change is chemical when it is accompanied by. A change is chemical when it is accompanied by. Now look at this. Energy change. Okay. Next is formation of new substances. Formation of new substances. Number 3 is change in chemical properties. Change in chemical properties. All of these. All of these, yes. A change in which the original substance can be obtained back by change of conditions is called reversible change, physical change, chemical change, both A and B. Reversible change, physical change, chemical change, both A and B. Yes, it is both A and B, reversible change and physical change. Blue color of copper sulfate solution changes to green color when an iron nail is dropped into it due to the formation of, just repeating the question again, blue color of copper sulfate solution changes to green color when an iron nail is dropped into it due to the formation of ferrous sulfate, copper chloride, copper ion and iron chloride. Ferrous sulfate, copper chloride, copper ion, iron chloride. What is the reason behind this blue color? Sorry, the green color. No, it is not iron chloride. This is, yes, ferrous sulfate. This is ferrous sulfate. This is of light green color. Okay, note it down. Magnesium hydroxide obtained when magnesium oxide is dissolved in water. Okay, magnesium hydroxide obtained when magnesium oxide is dissolved in water is a base, an acid, an indicator, dissolving agent. So you have to identify magnesium hydroxide is a base or acid or an indicator or dissolving agent. A base, yes, and magnesium oxide is the basic oxide. Magnesium oxide is not a base, magnesium oxide is a basic oxide. These are some important questions, so you will go through the in-text line also, that you can answer all the questions. Okay.